Oh gosh, did you see that? Holy shit. Holy shit. We had a squirrel that flew across me. There he is down there. You little brat. What was that about? He's right there.
Let's go.
Did you see that? He like jumped across me. But anyway, there's a lot of hiking here, a lot of places to hike. And even in the surrounding areas, even Virginia and all that, all different places. But I can't go to those places on my own. And they say to have bear spray. There's a lot of bears. There's a lot of bears here. And I didn't know that. I thought, you know, that bears hibernate in the winter. Well, apparently in Tennessee, they don't totally go to sleep. They could come out and everything, so I don't know. Maybe we'll go this way. All right, we can go down that another day. I'm glad it opened up to this area. But really pretty area. Yeah, the playlist, I put my hike is on there that I did. And I lost signal, so I couldn't do a live stream at that time. I had to do a video. That was a really steep hike for me to do by myself. I don't know, they changed all this because this stuff wasn't here before when I came. I don't know which way to go. We'll go across this. But that was really pretty, the waterfall. It wasn't in full force, but I still got part of the waterfall. And that was a very, very, very steep hill for me to do on my own. It was like 100-degree weather that year, and I don't even know why I did that, but whatever. I did it, but it's on my channel and playlist. And I like hiking and different things.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
It's getting nice and cool. I'm not going to go down too far, but I think I could bring my bike on here. There's a bench.
Let's go.
This water, though, I mean, I don't know. It's not as clear here because they have clay in the water here in Tennessee. Tennessee has clay in the water, but coming from New York, I had the Cateros Creek where I live behind me and all the lakes that you could see right down. And you can't hear, so I don't go swimming in the water or lakes here. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Somewhere on this path, if you keep going, there's a garden that people put together, and there's one at the other end, I think, too, where people planted vegetables and flowers and everything. And like they take care of it, just regular people like you and me. I hear stuff moving around in the woods. Oh, there's another squirrel there. There's a bunch of them in there. So this was a nice walk.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at?
I don't know if you guys want me to stream later. If not, then I won't, but I was planning on it for a little bit. I like listening to the water. I could bring my chair here and maybe draw. This is nice here. Impressive path. Yeah, it goes for miles. I don't know how many miles this is, and it looks like they changed some of it. But if you go the other way, there's some really expensive houses. If we had gone the other way, they come up behind, like some expensive neighborhoods. Those real big houses with the huge houses with brick and all that, fancy ones. It's nice to see other people here, but I'm not going to be on here. We're going to only go up a little bit because, yeah, it's dinner time. Let's go. Maybe I could come back, like, I was planning on doing this path, but I wanted to come earlier.
I don't want to go to work because my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life because I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip.
Some of the other parks you have to pay for.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things.
But this is the easiest one to go on. Because I'm gonna have to be mowing my lawn. That's not gonna be too fun. My ride mower, the belt came off, so I can't use that. I gotta use the push mower. That's gonna be hard to do. But it rained. I wanted to do it yesterday, and it rained. Be aware of time. It will get dark soon. Yeah. What time is it? You could put explanation time, or you're probably on the same time as me. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. I'm not gonna go too much further. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go home and eat. 7:30. Okay, yeah, we gotta turn around because it gets dark at 8. I don't want to be. So anyway, this goes up, and then I was gonna show you this other part, but I'm not gonna, because I'll go back. So I gotta walk all the way back to my car as well. Can you hear all the birds? It's so pretty here. This seems like a peaceful place to bring art supplies and draw, but I don't know. All right, thank you for letting me know. I have a tendency to not have concept of time. So without somebody telling me, I'll just keep streaming and going and doing. Oh, I don't know what in the heck that is. Holy shit, is that a skunk? Look at that. I don't know what that is. See it right there? Oh my God, what is that? What the heck is that? Do you see that? I don't know what that is. Something huge and fluffy. Where did it go? Where'd it go? Is that it right there? I think I lost it. What was that? I don't know what that was. It was very big to be a skunk. He was fluffy. I don't know if that was a bear, but seemed really small to be a bear. But then again, I don't know how small they are. Let's keep going just in case. Oh, that would suck. There's a freaking bear in here. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, you probably can't. Did you see that? I don't know what it was. A possum, a raccoon. Yeah, maybe that's probably what it was. It was huge. He was a big one. Yeah, okay, we gotta hurry up because it's gonna get dark at 8, so I gotta walk faster.